Hi everyone, my name is Ain. In this video, I'm going to show to you guys on how to create a partition that have a curve shape like this. Okay, so we're going to use superboard. So we take out the new superboard and then we can adjust the distance. Okay, type in a 0 to make it snap to the wall, and then for the width we need to plus with the numbers. Okay, and then for the depth we need to adjust according to our height. Okay, so 2800. Okay, and then press B on your keyboard, or you can click on here, right click, edit panel shape, and then you will enter this edit panel shape section. Okay, and then we need to add point. Just click on join. Okay, click on add point again. Okay, so we'll have another point here. So we need to adjust the distance between the point. So we need at least 5 points. Okay, and then you need to play around with the numbers. You can key in the precise number lah. Right. Okay, and then click to add another point. Just click on add point. Okay, so now we have 1 2 3 4 5, and then for this one, okay, just click on join. Okay, and then we need to drag. This one is for the upper side. Okay, just drag the point. Okay, and adjust according to your sizing. Okay, this one I just randomly drag the point. Okay, adjust the position. Okay, or you can refer to the grid. Okay, that have the number there. Okay, this one I just randomly drag the point and then click on this line to make curve. Click on the side type and adjust the string height. Okay, and I key in as for 800. Okay, and also to this side we need to shorten a bit. So just drag the point that we create just now. Okay, so and then click on exit. So this is the board. So now what's left is we need to rotate the board, okay, to make it as our partition. We already have the shape, so press X on your keyboard, okay, to have this rotation function, okay, where we can rotate according to the angle. Okay, so we're gonna rotate it upward. Okay, click on the board and then press X on your keyboard. Okay, and then just drag the point. Okay, and make sure the angle is 90 degree. Okay, and then we can adjust the elevation. Okay, you can adjust the elevation. Okay, click on the board and then can just drag the point here. Okay, drag the arrow, okay, to adjust the elevation, or you can enter on your under product placement, okay, for the elevation. Right, so you see the height is already 2800. So you can drag to the area that you want to put as the partition. Alright, so happy trying. Bye bye.